Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now, let's get into this video. Okay, guys, I'm at side hustle number 1. And what you're going to be doing is publishing ebooks. This is Kindle Direct Publishing website, and Kindle is owned by Amazon. So on here, you'll be able to publish ebooks and paperbacks for free. And publishing only takes less than 5 minutes, and your book will appear in the Kindle stores worldwide in 72 hours. And you're going to earn up to 70% royalty on sales to customers in the US and all other countries. And check this out, guys. You're going to keep control. So you're going to have 100% control over the rights. Now, you're probably saying to yourself, I'm not a writer. Well, you can find somebody to do it for you for little to nothing. So you can go to this website called Fiverr. So this is Fiverr right here. So what I did was put in a search bar, write ebook. And as you can see, a lot of freelancers popped up that will write ebooks for you. Like this one right here. For $10, this person will write an ebook about health, fitness, medicine, diet, and weight loss. And you do have others that charge a little bit more, but it's really based on how many words or how many pages you want in this ebook. So like this one right here, it might not be that many pages, so that's why they're charging $10. But it's all about the content that's in the book that is very, very appealing to people. So these people are professional writers. So what you want to do when you go in here, when you click on one of these freelancers, make sure you check out their reviews from people that they worked with before. And if it's a good review, if it's a lot of bad reviews, you probably don't want to work with them. So, as you can see, it's a lot of people on here that are doing the ghostwriting for these ebooks. So you have a lot to choose from. So guys, that's side hustle number 1. Now let me go to side hustle number 2. Okay guys, I'm at side hustle number 2, and I'm at this website called Etsy. People sell custom made items on this website and digital items. So that's what you can do on here, guys. Sell a digital item. So here's some digital items right here. So you can sell a planner. So these are very, very popular. People are buying all different type of planners for diet, for fitness, for business. So it's very, very popular. And also people are buying digital art like this. So you're probably saying to yourself, where do I get this type of digital art from? Or where do I get this planner from? Well, again, you can go right back to Fiverr, and they have freelancers that will provide these digital downloads for you guys. So let me go ahead and look for that. So I'll put in digital art. These people right here have digital art that you can buy from them, and you can sell this on Etsy. So guys, that's side hustle number 2. Now let me go to the third and final side hustle. Okay, I'm at side hustle number 3. And what this side hustle is selling merch or selling t-shirts. And the name of this website is Teespring. So as you can see here, they have t-shirts that they're selling, backpacks, caps, bags, and you see that design right there on this t-shirt, and you see that design right there on this bag and on this cap. So what you're going to do is get a design, and again you can go to fiverr.com, tell them what type of design that you want, get that done for $5-10. Unless you are already talented at drawing, you can draw you something, and all you got to do is upload that drawing onto your computer. Once you sign up with Teespring, put that image on a shirt. They make it all for you, and all you got to do is sell it to your audience. So if you have a nice following on social media like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, you can promote your designs or your merch, and when somebody buys it, Teespring will ship out the item or the t-shirt to the customer. You don't have to do anything. You get a percentage of the sale. So as you see, look at these designs right here. So people on Fiverr can make these type of designs for you. So that's it, guys. That's all 3 side hustles. These are very popular side hustles. These are some of the best side hustles to make some good money. Anybody can start with this. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, drop a comment down below, give me a like, share this everywhere. Let's get this channel to 8,000 subscribers. And on that note, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.